Alright gang, Zaxbys came out with this Mr. Beast box, so I gotta see what it's hitting on, you feel me? Alright, so if y'all never had Zaxbys, it's kind of like Cane's, if y'all got the Cane's. Let's see, it comes with the Zax sauce, the ranch, I guess a dessert, a little chocolate bar, Feastables, a drink. We got 2 toasts. Oh yeah. And the fries, 4 chicken tenders, and some white cheddar bites. So we about to see what that hitting on right now. See, I gotta wrap that chicken finger up in that toast. Boy, I'm talking about. And then you dip it in that Zax sauce. But let's hit the fries up. The fries be busting. And then you gotta pull it with that ranch. With these white cheddar bites. Yes, sir. Let's see what that hitting on. Cheddar bites are alright. I guess they're trying to sell the cheddar bites. Alright, I'm just gonna test this for y'all. This chocolate bar. See what it's hitting on. Oh, it's got a bunch of little dents in there, so if you want to like share it with people, I'll just break off these 2 right here.
Oh my God.
Bro, that chocolate actually slaps, bro. I'm talking about, that's hitting. I'd say, you know, for $12 in this economy, you know, McDonald's price went up as well. I'm gonna have to say 9 out of 10, my boy. I'd recommend this. I mean, but if y'all don't do your fried chicken hot dog with the sauce, I mean, what you really doing though?